So off we go again. Yes, sir. Hi ho. So. Well, guys, here we go again. Welcome to another edition of Rupert's Property Show, today from El Valle Golf Resort. We are showcasing today two apartments, ground floor, first line, opposite the pool. What else can I say? I mean, this is really the place to spot the golfer. Exactly. So, welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show, today from El Valle Golf Resort. Well, you know me, I'm waffling away normally, starting here on the terrace, just to be on the safe side that you guys have the chance to listen and to view another edition of my show. And today we have chosen two properties in one show, which means, sorry, there's a wasp here. Sorry, was disturbed by a wasp. So, well, Paula wants to join you on video. Well, happy days, here you go. Well then, welcome to another edition of Rupert's Property Show. I'm showing you today two properties here on El Valle Golf Resort. Both of them 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We are on Diamante Road. The one is number 30 and the other one should be number 26, if I'm right. So both apartments have been refurbished dramatically and you will see now what they have done to this property. So the first one is Diamante 30, which is a very nicely appointed apartment. It's our reference 3732 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, or as well you find it on murciadreams.com under the same reference 3732. And it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, which is sold as seen, fully furnished, fully equipped. And as you can see, it's quite a high standard. We have all kind of furnishing here, well, white goods and all that. And it's in a very good condition. Orientation-wise, we are talking southwest to say, southeast to say. We have quite a fair share of sun until early afternoon. And on the other side, it's perfectly located, just first line golf, and then at the same time also first line on the pool. We are now in the master bedroom, which, as we said, fully equipped, fully furnished. And you can see already some of the details of these apartments, which is, for example, central heating. You might say, well, in the southeast of Spain, what do I need central heating? Well, you might need it in starting February to end of April, well, maybe mid of May even. You might need it. So it's always a nice asset to have. We are now in the master bathroom with a bubble bath and all other mod cons which we expect from a bathroom. I think it's pretty nicely set up. I mean, El Valle is a total different ballgame to many other resorts because the building standards are here, not to say second to none, but pretty high compared to other Polaris resorts. So, as well as we said, central heating, but not only that, we also have ducted air conditioning here. So that's quite a standard. And talking about that, we have here 2 thermostats. We have one thermostat for the air conditioning, which is this one, and we have another thermostat for the heating. So you see, it's quite technologically well advanced. That's the second bathroom now, which works as a bathroom for the second bedroom, but as well, in case you have guests invited, then that's the place for them to go in case they need it. That's the entrance to the apartment, and just coming into the right-hand side, we do have the kitchen as well, fully equipped with a big fridge freezer. In this case, it's Bosch. Most of the appliances are Bosch branded. We have oven cooker extractor fan, there is a dishwasher, as well as in the back kitchen, we do find a washing machine, which is quite handy here. So that's quite easy to maintain. The central gas heater here on top. This is piped gas, so there is no need to buy any gas bottles. This all comes through piping, which is running through the resort. The resort as well is equipped with glass fiber network, so for high-speed internet and television and all that. This is already prepared. We are talking price-wise, yes. Price or asking price for this property is only 144,950. It's the reference 3732 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm just imagining now, I'm just sitting down here and see, oh, that's quite a nice view from here. So, because what they did is that they have they haven't not extended the property, but they have included a big part of the terrace into the property. which means what we are seeing here, this is normally the dining area, which should be inside the property because this was a terrace. What they did is they have put here this glass solution here, which is moving out. And normally, well, you know, the demo effect, these things are not working. So this glass thingy is completely closing this dining area, which was initially just a part of the covered terrace. And they have included that and increased the surface of the property dramatically. As well, we are still standing on a terrace, which still could be explored with further glass. And there is as well the real terrace, which is then outside here. So we have a beautiful Drago tree here and, well, in front of the pool. What else can I say? I think it's quite a nice option. We are first line golf, we are first line to the pool. And as I said, asking price is only 144,950. Community fee-wise, we are talking 113 euros per month, including all services provided by the community of owners. As well, we have 71 square meter built plus 38 square meters on terrace. So that's quite a decent size for a 2-bedroom apartment here in our area. That's quite decent. And I really love just the location because we are really opposite the pool. So this was now the first property we are seeing today. As I said, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully equipped, sold as seen, central heating, air conditioning, lots of improvements like the glass wall we just saw. So this really provides quite a nice start in Spain. Asking price only 144,950 for 71 square meters inside plus 38 square meters of terrace. You will ask me now, Rupert, how do you remember all that? Well, I don't. I do have my things written up here in my hand. So that's how it normally works here, and that's how I'm normally doing it, because I also can't remember all these details, and I'm sure that you expect me to provide accurate information. So that's how it works. This one was one of the tricks I'm using to keep you properly informed. Having said that, let's have a walk to the other property. So I'm using here the staircase, because obviously this is also part of the deal that we can go directly from our apartment, from our terrace down to the pool. Makes life easy as well with kids and all that, so it's easy to supervise, it's easy to go to the pool with them or just send them to the pool, because you always can supervise them from your own terrace. So this is now the pool entrance. You might say, why is the pool fenced? Well, that's by law in Spain, well, at least in the Murcia region, community pools need to be fenced in. This is due to security and all that, and I think it's a smart thing. So especially smaller kids, toddlers or whatever, just can't run to the pool and fall into it. So there is something which protects them. Just walking around the pool here now, there's a small area here for kids and toddlers and all that, which is not that deep, it's pretty shallow. And then we go over to the big one, where it's really big enough to have a good swim here, no doubt. There are also covered areas and areas where you can leave your sunbath. Well, they're provided by the community, so where you can use the sunbaths here provided by the community. I understand that it would be even much nicer if there would be sunshine today. But as you know, they say there's no rain in Spain, but there is not always sun. Even we have 320 days of sunshine here in our area, which is the region of Murcia. Still, there are some grey days, and today is one of these days. But we can't always wait until the weather is getting fine. So we have decided to continue with the show. As long as it's not raining, I think it's pretty fair to show the properties today. It's ever so green on my screen. I hope this is also that green on your screens. I have no idea, but it looks to me pretty clean, pretty green. Oh, I can't get the word green out. Okay, well then, and here we are already at the second property. Obviously as well for sale board by Quality Homes Costa Calida. And we're just entering here now the second one. So it's nearly opposite the one we have seen. This one gets later on quite a fair share of afternoon sun. So instead of the other one, which rather had morning sun until midday, this one gets a fair share of afternoon sun. Again, we are close to the pool. As well, we can spot the golfer here because we are really first line on the golf. So yeah, it might entertain somebody, no? There we go. So Now we're entering this second apartment, which is our reference 3741. We have here Anna, who is helping me today, even not being on Condado, but we said this show needs a special support today because 2 properties in one go we hardly have. And as well, we have Steen here at the bar. I'll join you in a second. No, I just finished the show and then we start with the rosé wine. Yeah. Okay, it's already prepared. Yeah, happy days. So what we see here now as well was initially just terrace space. So all that has been glassed in and transformed into a great outside living space. Because we still have the outside terrace, which is also part of the property. So we are not losing any terrace space. But on the same side, we're winning maybe some 15, even 20 square meters of space in addition. Because this was all just covered terrace. So this is a bonus to say, and maybe, yeah, that's a bonus track. And now we're entering the real apartment. It looks like that the sellers are aficionados of, how shall I say, sneakers? Yeah. Yes, that's what it is. So I'm showing you now the living room of this great 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment is reference 3741 on our dedicated web pages murciadreams.com as well as on qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price is only 154,950, but I have to say that this one comes included with a decent underground car park as well as a decent storage. So the storage has the size nearly of a parking space and comes included with the asking price of only 154,950. So we have the first apartment at 144, let's say 145 to be honest, and this one at 155, with the difference that we have in this one included garage space and as well storage. Community fee wise, it's a little bit different. It's round about, the apartment itself is around 135, but then we add the community fees for the garage and for the storage. So we end up around 180 euros per month for the community fees, as garage spaces as well are causing costs as well as the storage space. Asking price 154,950, reference 3741 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are in the second bedroom, and what we see here is massive blue. It's not really blue when I see it, it's rather white. I have no idea what my phone is doing, but it's showing that bluish. It's not blue, I tell you, I promise you, it's rather white and not blue. Okay. Here we go again, fully furnished with all items. What we see is what we get, except obviously personal items, decoration and all that. But the main things like white goods, furnishing and all that all comes included. Did we see the second bathroom? No, we did not. So this is the second bathroom now with the space cabin shower unit and with all other mod-cons we find here normally in the bathroom. And I think I did not show you the master bath, no? Because as well the master bath has a bubble bath. Well, as you can see, everything you need in a bathroom. Having said that, we continue with the kitchen now, which comes as well fully fitted. Here we go again. Sorry, the thermostat. The one is over here and the other one should be around the corner. Yeah, no, the other one is over there. There we go. So we have 2 thermostats, but then this time not talking to each other. Maybe they don't go on well with each other. And this is now the kitchen bit. So it's a nice compact kitchen equipped with dishwasher, washing machine. No, washing machine is out there, sorry. Washing machine, dishwasher is integrated. Should normally be this one. Yes, it is. That's the dishwasher. We had the same thing in the other apartment. I just was too lazy to open it up. Cooker oven, extractor fan, microwave. It's all Bosch brand, as well as the large fridge, freezer. And in the outside kitchen, we have again a Bosch washing machine and the gas central heating. All with natural light. What they did here as well, because normally the outside kitchen is open, and they have closed this in as well with decent windows to make it a little bit more private, maybe to say there's another storage cupboard here, well, and other bits and bobs, what people have in their apartments. Okay, so we are talking 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on Valle Golf Resort, fully fitted, quite nicely to say. Both of them are smelling very good. I don't know what it is. Maybe we have applied. No, I don't think that we apply that. So I think it's just the apartment. It smells nice. Both of them are really smelling nice. You wouldn't believe it, even with these shoes here. It's really nice. Okay, there is another window in here. I'm in the living room of this great apartment. Reference 3741 on qualityhomescostacalero.com and on murciadreams.com. And voila, here we are, nearly finished. Another view on the golf course. Steen is hiding in the meantime behind the bar. I think he doesn't want to be in the picture today. So, Steen, where are you? Come on. There we go. Happy days.
It's a pop-up show, isn't it?
Ah, it's a pop-up show. Oh, sorry, I forgot about that. Yes. I think I destroyed it now. Sorry, Steen. Yes, I didn't capture the message. Yes, sorry. You know me. I mean, it's getting closer to my holiday as well, I have to say. I have 3 more shows to go and then I'm going on holiday. So, yes, it might be after a year of work that, yes, I'm not really up 100% anymore. But having said that, we will have a great time now. Okay, so we are now dedicating ourselves to the rosé drinks. And I hope that you enjoy as well the rest of your day as we do. We are here now. We're quite in a comfortable position because we have soon finished now our show, and we can have a glass of rosé wine now, no? Isn't it?
That's what life is Spain about. Enjoying yourself?
Thanks very much for that, yeah, because sometimes we forget about it, no, with all the stress we have, but it's still, we're still living here. So, So Anna is also hiding today. She doesn't want to be, okay, well, even with sunglasses, no, she doesn't want to show. It's only on Condado, no?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So, happy days. Thank you very much for joining me today in this great show with 2 properties on El Valle Golf Resort. References 3732 for the first one at 144,950 and reference 3741 on this one here at 154,950. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoy your weekend, which is coming up soon. And I hope to see you soon here on El Valle Golf Resort for viewings. And for any questions, just drop me an email rather to Rupert at qualityhomescostacalero.com or to Steen at murciadreams.com. Steen is STEEN at murciadreams.com. Until next week, I wish you all the best. Stay safe, have fun, and God bless. Cheers, bye.